In this simulation video, we'll be covering the process to add the blank U rim joist to the outer edge of a drop beam deck. Before we get started, here's a list of the recommended tools and safety equipment you'll want to have on hand when working with our Evolution steel framing product. Know that all posts must be temporarily braced until fully stabilized and permanently connected with framing or other structural members. For deck frames, this means that all beams, joists, hangers, and any blocking that shores up the structure should be in place before the bracing can be removed. In short, the deck frame should be fully assembled and secured first before bracing is removed from the assembly. The blank U rim joist can be used to cap joists on the end of a drop beam deck in situations where non-standard spacing of the span joists is common throughout the deck. This can occur fairly often as many decks will have breaker boards and patterns to them. To install the blank U rim joist onto a framed deck, simply take the rim joist and slide the U-shaped side over the ends of the joists. Verify the end of the rim joist is flush with the end of the deck. Then, while keeping the rim joist pushed up tightly to the joists, secure it on both the top and bottom of the joist with an Evolution self-tapping screw. Afterwards, repeat this same process of securing the remaining blank U rim joist to the span joists. If you need to cut the blank U rim joist to match the overall length of the span or run, remember that when cutting the product, we have instructions for this process that should be followed. These instructions are available in written form online, or they can be viewed by watching our Evolution general product cutting video. And this will conclude the basic installation process for the blank U rim joist. For more information on our steel deck framing products, including where to buy, stop by our website at fortressbp.com/framing. And don't forget to check out our other Evolution steel framing videos as we continue to help our customers steal the show.